Welcome in Switzerland.
'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
It's my first time na magbabas.
Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, chips and Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But my heart's on my
Oh
sleeve.
my God, everyone. Magmamadali ako ngayon kasi pupunta ako sa Bahnhof or bus station. Pupunta kasi ako sa Source. So, it's my first time na magbabas dahil nasa work si Steven. And malamig siya today. Kaya nag-full jacket ako. And yung bus ay dadating around 1:37. So, it's 1 now. So, kailangan kong magmadali. Maglalakad ako papunta sa Bahnhof. Although, medyo malapit lang naman siya. Pero bibili pa kasi ako ng ticket. And it's my first time. Kaya, pinifigure out ko lahat. I'll see you later. Kakababa ko lang ng bus, tapos nalakad ako, nakita ko ni Steven. Hindi ko pa siya na-notice na andyan na pala siya. Tapos binasanahan niya lang ako. Tak! Okay, andito na kami. Siguro mamaya-maya lalabas na kami. Are we going up? Hello! Oh, it's Klein.
You will stay here inside.
Yeah.
Okay, I go outside, right?
With them? With them? Okay. Gugutom na ako, guys. So, kumain lang ako nito. Bumili ako doon. Ayun. And then, coffee. I am here in my fiancé company. Kasi sumama ako sa kanya kasi nga, di ba may may termin or may appointment kami kanina sa Gemeinde. So sumabay na lang ako sa kanya. I have option if magbabas ako or sasama ako sa kanya. Sabi ko sasama na lang ako sa... Look how clean their pantry. So ayan yung pantry nila. And then they have their own microwave there. Ayan, kung gusto mong kumain ng mga biscuits or coffee, bibili ka lang dyan. And look at that. Wow. So nice. I am doing my Deutsch course. So I have class today. I mean tonight. It will start every day from Monday to Friday. It will always start at 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. here in Europe time. So if in the Philippines it's 2 a.m. until 5 a.m. Yeah, and I have my break now. It's like 10 minutes break. What time now? In 2 minutes we will start again for our Deutsch course. I'm in level A2, A2. It's like A1, A2, B1, B2. So I'm in A2. And sorry for my kilay, hindi siya pantay. Alam nyo ba, struggle ko to palagi tong kilay ko na to. This one is little bit darker than here. Although I even put with the same product. Always matapang to. Ito, hindi siya masyadong matapang. But this one is my favorite one. This one is a little bit Hello again! So, kanina pa natapos yung aking Deutsch course. So, nanonood lang ako ng YouTube. And tinan nyo, di ba, makalat. Tapos nanonood ako ng maglalaba pa ako mamaya. Hello! Guten Morgen! It's Saturday today and we will go to grocery store. Tapos, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kami magtapon ng basura dito. I mean, not the regular, like how we separate the garbage, like cartons. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And it's raining today. Look outside. This is how we separate. And then this one, how about this cola? Here, right?
Yeah.
Cola is here. Also this one. This one. Here. Hello! We're done buying in Otto and we got this sausage for free. What do you call with this thing? Why Otto did something like this? It's like Frühling Festival?
No,
or...
they have the Jubiläum. 50 years Autos in Rheinland.
They have, it's their anniversary. Okay.
50 years Autos
50
in
years.
Rheinland.
Okay. Otto celebrated 50 years. So they give everyone like this, every customer. And we won also coupon. It's like 10 Swiss franc, right? Discount next time. Let's eat. Vers on Brot. I can see.
Ja, US.
Do you want this? Do you want this?
Sushi.
Sushi. You don't want sushi. I was thinking we will make sushi. I need this.
Mayo.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, G.
New copy.
Dun, dun, dun. Let's hear the
Don't have the.
nine. They have. Look at the view. That's look good. Hello! Dumating na kami sa bahay and mag-call ako. Half lang to ng binili namin today. So first is this baking tray. Tatlo na siya. So 14.95 Swiss franc. Kaya na you do the math. It's lunchbox lang. And then ito, table line for the table. Kapag kumakain ka. And then we bought also this Fairy dishwashing liquid. May ko nga. Mabango. I don't know how much is this. How much is this?
350.
Huh?
350.
350. We have this for pillar lang to siya para sa kartupel. So, yun lang. As what I've said in my early vlog, ano siya, 50th Bob, right? It's their 50th anniversary. So, yung iba ay may discount. And we won this 2 coupon. So, pag bibili kami next time doon, may 20 Swiss franc kami na discount. So, lahat ng nabili namin sa Uto ay 50.30. Kay Steven to. PS5 niya. So, para sa PS5. Ang Maybelline ko na foundation. Sana right shade na ako. Yun lang! Hello everybody! I am outside now. Supposed to be. Lalakad kami ni Steven. Kaso yung isa naglalaro ng PS5. Nainis nga ako eh. Kasi hindi niya sinabi sa akin na hindi pala kami pupunta. Hindi pala kami aalis. Kaya ako na lang yung lumabas. And look what's is my view. Look at it, guys. Diba? So nice. I'm so grateful and blessed that I am here.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. I found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. So did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Tingnan niyo yung mga kambing sa likod ko. Di ba may kiling-kiling sila? The purpose of yung bell nila is to recognize them kung nasaan sila banda. Who's here? Hindi sila tinatalian. Nandyan lang sila sa isang cage. It's the setup. So, lahat ng mga wire na yan, that one is not a wire. Net lang siya. Pero most of the time, mga wire yan. May mga electric something. So, para hindi sila makalabas. And the purpose of the bell is to recognize them or kung nasaan na sila. Kasi diba pag gumagalaw sila, nagkikiling-kiling. So, alam kung nasaan sila banda. Kung mawawala sila, ganon. Ganon yung purpose ng bell, ng cow at ng mga sheep dito sa Switzerland.